Well, hello and welcome to the Portal Discord. This is a little tutorial to help you get the most out of your Discord experience. Some of you might be migrating over from the Temple chat, which we've been doing exclusively in Telegram for the past 2 years. And now we're going to be migrating over to Discord. You might also be finding us from the Portal podcast or any other episodes where you might find the link to this Discord, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Or you might be from Darrow community and migrating over to take place in our ILUMA exclusive channels and giveaways. Either way, this tutorial is designed to give you guys the most of this Discord experience. The first thing that you guys are going to come to once you join the Portal Discord server is this page right here. It's going to say welcome. This is just an automated message here. And what I'm going to ask you to do is if you are coming from Darrow community, use the Darrow emoji to respond to your name. That way I can put you in the channels. If you're an ILUMA holder, use the ILUMA logo. And if you're from the Temple, use the Temple logo right here. If you're watching this video on YouTube and you're joining the Discord from the Portal podcast or from my Instagram, go ahead and use the Portal and I will categorize you according to those symbols to give you different roles, which will allow you different access to different channels. Next, it's going to take you over to intentions. I'll give you a brief summary of what's important here with intentions. Basically, don't be a jerk to each other. You know what I mean? Try to be open-minded, listen with curiosity. You do post your links in this channel right here, which I'm going to get to in a little bit. Also, if you are interested in learning about Darrow and opening up a Darrow wallet and you get your seeds, right? Never, ever share those seeds. Asylum will not DM you. I promise he will never DM you and ask you for your seeds. If somebody named Asylum is DMing you and telling you to put your seeds and sync up with this and that and the other, that's a scammer. Ignore that person, block them, report them. And we got to keep these people out of our community. Luckily, our community is small, so I don't think we're going to get any of that. But just in case, it's really important because you will lose your money if you put your seeds in something that's other than the CLI wallet or the Engram wallet. Okay. And I've got tutorials on that, which you can look into, but that's pretty much the whole entire gist of this section here. So we've covered that. This channel is the formal announcements for all things the portal. And my intention with this server is really to kind of be a landing strip for all of my different communities because they're beginning to overlap enough lately that I felt like it was time to integrate because so many Temple members are being interested in Darrow. Many people in Darrow have joined or are joining the Temple. So I'm just going to make them all rolled into one. And anybody that's watching my podcast episodes, you obviously are already interested in the Temple type of events or Darrow. So welcome, everybody. Commingle, mix, learn from each other. I think it's going to be a really, really dynamic mix and blend of skill sets, belief systems, and all of that. So this channel right here, you can click the follow button in your server. If you have a server, you can get all the announcements from the portal here. And this one is going to be for anything super important. So if you periodically want to come by and check announcements, you can kind of stay up to speed on what's going on in this server. Upcoming events. I will list any upcoming events in the future to be posted here. Also, you can create events. And if you want to have events within our server, which you are welcome to, you can post your events here and people are welcome to join. Episodes. This is a automated list of any time that I post a new episode to the portal, it'll come here and you guys will get notified. That way you can keep up to date with all the episodes that I'm posting. This channel is super great because it's got a comprehensive list of everything, all the links of everything and all the links you'll need to basically, interact or learn about the portal. So we've got the Temple website, Tarot ILUMA, my Instagram, my socials. Follow the team. The team is Captain Unknown, which is the developer, which does my projects in Darrow, and Earth Angel, which is my Temple admin and minister. And she does the notarizations and sends out the exemptions along with a whole host of other things. So you can follow these two on Twitter. Here is a link to Captain Unknown's GitHubs if you're more techie and want to learn about that. Darrow Pay WordPress plugin, the By Darrow WordPress plugin, and the By Darrow server. So if you wanted to use By Darrow, you would go ahead and look at how he set up the server here and do one of your own. We've got tutorials by me here, CLI for Mac, Ngram for Mac, and Darrow Pay plugin. All those, and there'll be more tutorials coming up. If you're interested in my past work, you want to see all the episodes that I've been a guest on other people's shows, they're right here. I think right now I've got 11 of them. So anyone from Crow, Sam Tripoli, Vibrant, Interverse, Paca Crypta, the Crypto Vigilante, just to name a few. Here is a channel for ILUMA specific announcements. So giveaways, events, these kinds of things that are open to the public will be posted here. This is mostly admin stuff. Most of you won't see that, but you will see this channel if you're an ILUMA holder. This is our private chat. So if you hold an ILUMA NFT, which I think we only have like 5 or 6 left till we sell out, you are welcome to join this channel. Some people want to keep their privacy. So if you want to not display your NFT and not be connected to that NFT, I totally respect that. So I will never dox you without your permission. But if you would like to, go ahead and vote when you enter into the welcome channel with the ILUMA, and I will add you to these 2 channels. It's an ILUMA holders voice chat and the general chat for ILUMA holders. This is going to be cool because as we move forward in the project, I'm going to be, basically asking you guys for what you want, what your needs are, and responding to those and strategizing ways that we can really start to create maximum benefits for our holders and really work as a community to start fostering some bigger projects within the Darrow space. So I'm very excited about that. General chat is a chat where everybody gets access to when you come in, unless you have the group ranking of Prove You're Not a Scammer, which I've just created because I've gotten some scammers today and yesterday, ever since I announced the Discord. So if I don't know you and you haven't put a little emoji through here to show me what channels you go to, and you immediately start spamming the group, I'm going to put you in a group called Prove You're Not a Scammer. It's somewhere down here. And you're going to stay in there, which means you don't have access to type in channels until you prove you're not a scammer. Luckily, though, if you're watching from this video, that's not going to be you unless I may have made a terrible mistake. And if I have, please let me know immediately because sometimes I move a little too fast. Temple chat. I just opened this chat and it's exclusively for Temple members. So if you're wanting to discuss Temple things, you can do it in this chat. Or if you are kind of nervous about the other chats and you're just kind of getting warmed up into Discord, you can use this one here. Darrow. This one is for all things Darrow. And also the announcements, the formal announcements from Darrow Project will automatically be posted here. I've just synced this channel with theirs. So all their formal announcements will be posted in here. Here is a channel where you can share your links. So if you've got cool things, cool ideas, NFT projects, whatever it is, podcasts, anything, share, shill your stuff here. And it's totally welcome in our community. Suggestions. I just opened up this channel. If you have anything that you want to add, questions, comments, suggestions, here's your place. Autocracy. This is going to be all things anarchy, autocracy, self-governance, voluntarism, law, all of those types of things will go in this channel. Homesteading, obviously homesteading, but even sometimes we have things like, today, or was that yesterday, we talked about spagyrics and alchemy and how to create oil of copper. So some cool conversations already being had here. Ascension. This channel is just kind of getting started. This obviously has anything to do with spirituality, ascension, those kinds of things. All right, this is my favorite. This is my favorite channel. Not gonna lie. I love this channel because it is all about playing art. And sometimes, honestly, I just get so overwhelmed with typing that I just want to communicate like using art. So you can see if you scroll up, we've got a lot of, we've been going ham on this channel, you guys, like all the art things. We made some really pretty stuff earlier with mermaids when musical mermaid 111 and I were playing art. I love this channel, and pretty much any time of the day that I'm awake, if I see stuff in here, I'm going to come and play art with you because I just love it. So let me give you a brief overview of how to use this. So you are going to type in / imagine, and then you type in a prompt. Let's just say kitties playing in clouds, designed in a Lisa Frank artistic style. Remember those trapper keepers way back in the day? You can literally type in any stylization of an artist and it's basically going to render it, right? So while that's working, I'm going to go over this part here. If you want to re-roll it, like let's say you really hated how it came out, you just press this button and it'll do it again. If you really like that image, you just press up U, which stands for upscale, and then you can download a higher end, higher resolution version of that. And if you kind of like it, but not quite, and you want some more variations of that, you can press V1 or, 2, 3, 4. And that corresponds to 1, 2, 3, 4. If you absolutely hate it, all you got to do is press the X button and it goes away. And as you can see here, it's already starting to create kitties playing in the clouds, which just melts my heart. I love this. So while that's taking its sweet time to render, I'm going to explain these voice channels down here. General chat. This is a chat where anybody can pop in and have conversations together. You can join for any reason. Tarot readings. I created this one specifically because there are a lot of readers in our community. And this one is open to tarot or astrology. I should probably annotate that. If you guys want to join in here and exchange readings or host events, if you want to share your screen or share your camera and host a tarot reading event or an astrology reading event or really whatever, you can do that here. And I've designed it for the community to discuss their readings, learn about tarot, grow together. If you're a tarot reader, feel free to schedule workshops. You can even, have some sort of donation or payment system. I don't mind. We can all work together as a community to all come up together. Do you know what I mean? So utilize this channel. Crypto chat is just, obviously in my world, Darrow is the only crypto that exists. And you probably know that about me already. So if you want to hang out with your crypto friends and your Darrow buddies, you can just join this voice chat. If you want to do a recorded session, let's say you're giving a workshop in here, you can press record and then that'll automatically save the recording. This last section was created by, I had a girl make this Discord server for me to begin with. She included a bunch of really cute, like little bots and games and stuff. They really don't mean anything. They're just fun for us, right? You can do fun with bots, which this one is super cute. Like this, for example, all these are bots and all these have functions and games. This one, you can play blackjack, you can fight chickens, you can commit crimes, you can do work and collect income, you can buy things, right? So this is just a cute little game in here. You can play roulette, you can do work. Let's just try work. Okay. You worked for a game studio as their program team member. A measly 185, whatever that coin is of this game, was earned, right? So you can also, like these are just cute, right? Let's try cockfight. Bet, let's see, let's bet $1. $100. You got to choose at least $100 for your bet. I don't even have $100. Do I? Let's see. Cockfight. Bet 100. Oh, okay. So I only have 68 of these little things earned. So I guess in order to bet, you have to go do work and get as much of that. So you get the idea, right? So these are just really cute little things. Invite leaderboard. If you send out invites, you'll get credits for that, which I think translates into that game. I'm not sure. This is a cool channel. You can type in any song you want. So right here, I typed in /play, and then I typed in Falling by Sephiroth. And then if you're in this channel right here, music, you can hear it like together as a group. Super, super cool little feature and functionality. I was hoping that this was going to do podcasts as well, so we could listen to podcasts together and discuss, but I'm not seeing that functionality yet. So chances are I might upgrade this one later to a different bot that includes podcasts. If you go over here, let's go back to our general chat. And if you Check pinned messages. This is super, super important. Pinned messages will have all the important things there that are pinned. So definitely review that if you haven't come in for a while. These are some polls that I'm running right now. And these basically, they pertain to you and what you want. So definitely check pinned messages and vote if there's polls. Here is the search functionality. Really epic search functionalities. You can search for any, from users, like if you wanted to search from me or whoever, or if you wanted to search mentions, any of these things, really, you can search and it'll bring you up a comprehensive list. If you click on your name, or let's use Meta in this case, you'll see different roles. In his case, he's an ILUMA holder, he's in the Darrow community, and everybody gets automatically put into the community section. And that allows you to have different access, right? So ILUMA holders will have access here and so on and so forth. And you'll see on this side all your peers and who belongs to what. I think that events. Did I talk about events? So here's an event up here. If you would like to create an event in our server, basically just DM me or at me in the group and let me know about your event, and I'll give you permission to create an event. That way we can all start promoting our own stuff and operating as a community within our community. Like if there's goods and services that you want to exchange with each other, I think this will lend itself to a lot more user-friendly experience for us to start utilizing all in-house stuff. Because I'm a firm believer of supporting the people that support your way of life. The sooner and quicker that we can all kind of get on the same page, and then eventually we can use Darrow involved with that too for the ones that are more off chain, so to speak. Yeah, that's kind of my intention with this. I think that covers everything. Right now, we are doing a giveaway for ILUMA, and you can see this video. It's private here. I'm excited to see how this whole entire server grows as a community and how we can start strategizing and really working together to just build really excellent things, inspire each other to create new things that are going to help us with the functionality that we need to build the new sovereign Earth. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I will catch you in the next video.